So as you can see here, my build is failed with this error. First one says startup failed, the second one says unsupported Java. Your build is currently configured to use Java 17 and Gradle 7. There is an issue here. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure your Java version and Gradle version match so that they can properly run. Go to Google and type Gradle Java compatibility, and now you will see this first result, official from gradle.org. Click on this compatibility matrix and it shows the Java version and Gradle version which should be matching. So we are using Java 17, but our Gradle version is, as you can see, 7.0. That is, we are using this Gradle, so that's why there is an incompatibility. So for Java 17, you might need to use 7.3 or greater. So go to your Android Studio. So go to project structure, go to settings. From here, you can choose a different Java version that matches your current Gradle, or you can just cancel it because you might not have the Java version. So directly from Android Studio, what you can do is you can go to project structure, and in your project option, as you can see, it shows Gradle version. Now just choose a Gradle version that matches your Java installation. So it was 7.3, and I'll click OK, and it will start building again. Let's see if this works this time. So we might need to make sure our Android plugin for Gradle and Gradle version also match each other. But let's see if this works. It's showing minimum supported Gradle version is 8, current version is 7.3. This is because of our version that we have in our Android plugin. So if you go to project level build.gradle file, you will see our version here is 8.0. So it is showing minimum supported Gradle version is 8, current version is 7.3. So to fix this, you need to go to file, project structure, and choose the minimum supported Gradle version, that is 8.0, and click OK, and this time it should work. So as you can see, build is successful in 1 second. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.